This program has been made possible by contributions from our viewers. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Drew. Welcome to the Beggars Woodshop. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. You are most welcome. Thank you for joining me here, and thank you for inviting me into your homes, laps, hands, well, just however you happen to be viewing this program. Welcome to you, our new subscribers, as well. Okay, yeah, I know. Normally I release this video on the first Saturday of the month. Well, I figured a few days early is not going to hurt because of what just happened back on Sunday. John Malecki released another Shopsmith video. And what do I have to say about it? Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't watched it, I'm going to leave a little link up here, but also down in the description below. Down here, okay. And this time, he had help. Scott from My Growth Greens went out to Pittsburgh and actually helped him with the machine. Showed John what was wrong and how to, of course, take care of things and say, okay, no, here's here, and go over some of the things John missed. Was John 100% convinced of everything? No. And that's okay. That is okay. He actually could appreciate or understand. And that, I think, is something that should be the goal of everyone who has a conversation with an anti-Shopsmith person. To say, hey, if I can get you to at least appreciate it, can we come to a good balance? Now, that balance, of course, is shown in that video because they talk about certain things, right down to here we are in modern times, and with the tools you can get, the price you can get, and the space elements. These are things talked latter in the latter part of things. Is it the same as it was, say, back in the 40s and 50s? And it's like, no. Nowadays we have things that kind of make some of that early advertising into these things not the same. However, it's still a really cool and really good and competitive tool. I will indeed say it is competitive. I've seen lots of evidence to say so. So here's some of the things that John will admit he's taking back. One, the plastic coupler. He's got the better understanding. He doesn't hate it as much. The set screw and the taper, well, he won't take that one back, but he does understand the science. The manual. We all picked on him about the manual. Okay, I admit this. I'm not someone who likes to read. I'm not. I haven't been ever. As far back as I can remember, I can't even remember if I really got excited about reading. No. I'm a visual guy. I like to see the visuals. And John is kind of the same way, apparently, or at least audio. We're not readers. However, I will admit, I force myself to read manuals on these things. Because, okay, you gotta be safe. I'm also the kind of person who, when I get instructions, I'm looking at the pictures on how to assemble it. No, it's not that shocking. Now stay here. Sorry. So, okay, get him on that. As for the safety element, at the very end he brings up the safety element of, yeah, it's... I think the best way I could put it is, I've seen other people mention this, no single tool is not more dangerous than another because a lot of it is the user. There are some tools that are no doubt more dangerous because of how exposed they are or lack of safety, but modern shopsmiths, no more dangerous than a table saw, okay? Really, there is one tool I think that is the most dangerous tool in the world. yeah. Either your lack of using your mind, or, well, just look at humanity over the course of history. They mentioned lobotomy in that video, because they were talking about the 40s, saying because lobotomies were still legal. A human being had to come up with this. So yes, the human mind is a dangerous place. So, yeah, you can't say a tool is dangerous when you've got that thing up there. But there are no doubt things that are too dangerous that need to be improved, and certainly they have been improved. I mean, look at the safety on a shopsmith. It's certainly been improved. I have to improve mine still. I'm still working off that old 54 table saw setup. No, I will not do it. So I'm very pleased with how this video has turned out for John Malecki. He learned, he was willing to admit if he was wrong. So, John, great job. Great job. And if you also have a chance to look, there's a quick little bit of my video in there, because he showed a bunch of the clips of all of us saying, hey, what are you doing? But it was real nice. So yeah, go check out that video. It's nice to see. Now, I do want to bring this up. Does that make me a John Malecki fan? I've seen several of his videos. Not quite my cup of tea. I'll say that. I didn't even know who he was until those Shopsmith videos came out. Once those came out, it's like, hello? So, yeah, go check out the first video, and then go check out his his follow-up video. There, I don't know why I can't talk. This is the second time I've had to record this because I can't talk. Wow. Okay, you know what? Maybe I should stop myself, ladies and gentlemen. I really should. So to recap, John Malecki's new video came out, and it's much better. He was willing to admit where he got things wrong. He was willing to change his mind. Scott, thanks for being the one to help him out. I can't think of anyone else to do it better. I really can't. So, if you like this video, and you don't think it was just me rambling on about nothing and nonsense, subscribe, hit the like button, comment, hit the little bell notification icon. Check out some of my other videos on the Shopsmith and a couple of woodworking videos. We're in the middle of a GoFundMe campaign, which has been going on for almost 3 years, and not much to show for it, I'm sad to say. Link for that is in the description below as well. Yeah, if you also share this content with other people, and I want to say there was something else. No, I can't think of anything else. So hopefully I will see you next time right here on the Beggars Woodshop.